Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the island of Jamaica. There are more than 20 known active cases of missing girls since the start of 2021. Of the total number of missing girls, some have been safely returned to their families or in the care of the state. The Ananda Alert System, which started in 2008, was named after 11-year-old Ananda Dean, who was kidnapped and gruesomely murdered. Her death sent shockwaves through the nation, and the Ananda Alert System was born. The system has been actively mobilizing resources to find missing children since its inception, and the results have been positive. On average, more than 1,500 children go missing each year, with more than 80% being female. Despite the alarming number, the National Children's Register reports that there is a 90% return/recovery rate of missing children in Jamaica. This is great news and is an indication of the effectiveness of the systems in place to recover and protect children. When a child goes missing, a photo of the missing child is broadcasted on all public and social media platforms 12 hours after the report is made to the police. Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency is a key partner to the Ananda Alert System and is instrumental in monitoring the island's borders to ensure no child illegally exits any air or sea port. Jamaica is member to the Global Missing Children's Network, where missing children not recovered over an extended period is entered into a database where countries can provide support in search of the children. Local records indicate that some of the missing girls have left home voluntarily, which begs the question of the state of childcare and protection in the home. This is aligned to public views concerning the reasons a young girl goes missing. Some persons have stated that some of these girls are not missing but have run off with their male partners. True or false, any child under the age of 18 is not responsible for themselves by law. Therefore, any decision made by a minor should be held accountable by adults with direct responsibility for the child. The insensitive remarks concerning the possible reasons a young girl may have gone missing does not negate the fact that the child is missing and could be for more sinister reasons. The frequency of reports of missing girls is of growing concern, as every week a new photograph emerges via public and social media. A major problem is the condition under which these young girls go missing. Is it that easy to snatch a child without detection? Are they taken by a family member or close friend of the family? Where are these girls being held? Are there no neighbors to see and report suspicious activity involving a minor? How much of the cases are a result of human trafficking on the island? Given the high recovery rate, it is safe to say that persons have been speaking up on the whereabouts of missing children, but a child missing is one too many. One can only imagine the grief of a family waiting anxiously for the return of their child. While the memory of the news fades quickly from the minds of many, the revelation remains constant for family and close friends. The Missing Children Support Program in Jamaica provides counseling to the grieving families of missing children. They also provide counseling to address trauma to children that have been returned home. The program is implemented in partnership with security forces and other programs on the island that cater to the welfare and safety of children. Check out the description box for links to information concerning missing children in Jamaica and how you can help. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.